U-Haul moving boxes are an essential component of the U-Haul moving system. Standard U-Haul moving boxes range in size from small to extra large. Small and medium U-Haul boxes are best suited for smaller, heavier items and feature sturdy handles that are positioned to make carrying easier. Large and extra large boxes are best suited for larger, lightweight items like pillows, blankets, and stuffed animals. Other larger boxes, like U-Haul clothing wardrobe boxes, feature an additional set of slanted handles to maneuver boxes more easily through doorways. All U-Haul moving boxes are specifically sized to make it easier to pack household items and then load them into the back of a U-Haul truck or inside a U-Box container. U-Haul boxes can be easily organized into snug rows inside of a moving truck or moving container, reducing the likelihood of your items shifting around during travel. Using a variety of box sizes makes building these rows even easier too. It's like Tetris. By cleverly arranging your boxes, you can avoid any big gaps in your rows and further limit the movement of individual boxes. Better yet, you can confidently stack your boxes higher thanks to U-Haul moving boxes' industry-leading sidewall protection and stability. The heavy-duty box line from U-Haul is even double-walled for added protection for fragile items. With such a variety of boxes available to you, eliminate any guesswork by using the moving supplies calculator in the U-Haul app to determine how many boxes and other moving supplies you'll need for your move. Even then, we encourage you to take more supplies than you might need. Unused boxes can be easily returned with receipt to any U-Haul store as part of U-Haul's buyback guarantee. This includes leftover boxes from a bundle too. That's moving made easier with U-Haul.